Welcome to Biology Scribbles, where big concepts are explained in little doodles. Today, we're breaking down biological molecules for IGCSE and GCSE Biology. If you are ready, then let's dive in. At the end of this lesson, you would be able to 1. Define biological molecules. 2. Describe the major biological molecules. 3. Explain the concept of monomers with examples. Let's zoom in to the chemistry of life.
So, what are biological molecules? Also called biomolecules, they are simply the chemical compounds found in living organisms. They are essential for life processes like growth, energy release, and cell structure. There are 4 major groups you must know for exams: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids or DNA. Let's doodle through them one by one.
The first on the list is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates, also called sugars, are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, CHO. It provides energy. There are 3 types of carbohydrates: simple sugars, an example is glucose; reducing sugars, an example is sucrose; and complex sugars, an example is starch. Next on the list is protein. Proteins are made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur atoms. They're needed for bodybuilding, growth, and repair. They also form enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, and other important substances in living organisms. The third is lipid. Lipids include fats and oils. Fats are made in animals, while oils in plants. They store energy and form cell membranes. Most lipids are triglyceride molecules. The final molecule is nucleic acid. Nucleic acids include DNA and RNA. DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid, while RNA is ribonucleic acid. They carry genetic information. DNA has a double helix structure. Now let's understand the concept of polymers and monomers. A monomer is a small molecule that joins together with others to form a larger molecule called a polymer. Think of monomers like Lego blocks. Each block is a monomer, while the single tower built is a polymer. Every of the 4 molecules discussed earlier is a polymer. Let's make a table showing our biological molecules and their monomers. Glucose is the monomer for all carbohydrates, including starch. Amino acids are the monomers for all types of proteins. Fatty acids and glycerol are the monomers for lipids. And finally, nucleotides are the building blocks of the DNA. Let's take a look into the structure of the DNA. The DNA is made up of repeating units of nucleotide. A nucleotide is made up of 3 parts: the ribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. There are 4 types of nucleotide only, distinguished by the type of nitrogenous base it carries. The bases are represented with the first letters of their names, A, T, C, and G. The bases pair up and form the rung of the ladder-shaped DNA. These pairings are specific. A pairs only with T, and C only with G. This is clearly visible on the illustration made. So there you have it, biological molecules. Let's do a quick recap. Biological molecules are essential chemicals of life. There are 4 main types: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. These biological molecules are made from small molecules called monomers. DNA is made with 4 types of nucleotides with this pairing format: A to T and C to G, or vice versa. If this video helped you understand biological molecules, give this video a like and subscribe to Biology Scribbles, because here, big concepts are explained in little doodles. See you in the next lesson.